Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Our display rules help you get the right offer in front of the right people at exactly the right time. And with our Saved Rule Sets feature, you can easily create a library of rule sets that you can reuse with other campaigns. In this video, I'll show you how to save and import rule sets in OptinMonster. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. So I've just finished setting up the display rules for my campaign, and I want to save this rule set for reuse in other campaigns. To do so, I simply need to select the Save Rule Set button. In the pop-up modal, I'll give the rule set a unique name and add some notes for future reference. Then, I'll select the Save Rule Set button. Now, to reuse a rule set I have saved in my library, I simply need to select Import Rule Set. In the modal, I can sort and search for the rule set I want to reuse and read any notes I've added to a rule set. To import a rule set without overriding the current rule set, select Add as New. To add the rule set to the list of rules in the current rule set, select Add to Existing. Or to replace all existing conditions of the rule set you are currently editing, select Replace Existing. After you import a rule set from your library and select Save Rule Set again, you have the option to save the rule set as a new entry in your library, or replace the existing rule set in your library. And finally, select Manage Rule Sets to edit the title and notes of the rule sets in your library, duplicate a rule set, or delete a rule set from your library. And just a quick note, deleting a rule set here will only remove it from your library. It will not remove the rule set from any campaigns where it was used. And that's Saved Rule Sets in OptinMonster. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.